Had you seen me out in the street, would you know that I spent under 5 minutes to do this look?
Duh.
Come on now. It looks very youthful, fresh, and like I put some effort in it. But I didn't. I really, really didn't.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger.
Hello you guys, and welcome to today's video. My name is Stella. Today we're gonna do something completely different. I'm gonna show you guys how to just put yourself together and be presentable in less than 5 minutes. Like bam, 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 everything is on the face. You're looking like you actually gave when you didn't. Okay, let's see. So I don't know what this whole situation is right here, but it's kind of what we're dealing with today. So we're gonna roll with it. We're gonna slap a headband on top of that so we look well put together, you know? Like, you know, we planned this. This is what I planned for you guys today. So anyways, the challenge is to do it in under 5 minutes. If it's even less than that, that's amazing. But yeah, I'm telling you guys, I hacked the system and you'll be amazed. So let me put some time on my timer.
This is Stella from the future right here, and editing this video, I realized that I haven't shown you guys the products enough. So we'll go through them one by one, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I used. Starting off, I started with FENTY Skin Fat Water, which is supposed to minimize your pores and just improve the look of dark spots, brighten, smooth, and fight shine. So we put that as a canvas, and then I put some concealer on so that it sets on my face. This is CATRICE's True Skin Concealer. It's supposed to be moisturizing the skin and staying on for 18 hours. I'm using the Cool Tone number 10. Moving on, I moved to Garnier. This is a BB cream. It's the best BB cream that I've found so far. I've been loving this for years and years, and I think it has an SPF of 15. The color I'm using is light. It doesn't have a great shade range, but I'm using light, and there's also a medium one. Moving on to blush, I'm using NYX's Sweet Cheeks blush in color NUDETUDE, and it is amazing. It just goes on so well. Then putting on some eyeliner. The best eyeliner that I found so far and the easiest to use is NYX's Epic Ink Liner. It's supposed to be waterproof, and I'm using that in black color. Then I moved on to some mascara. This mascara has literally just, oh my god, it's been awarded and it's amazing. It's called SKYHIGH and it's from Maybelline. And if you just layer it, it's just it gives you false lashes effect. For my eyebrows, I used CATRICE's brow pencil in color 35 brown. It's really like a fast way to do them, and it kind of lasts. On my lips, I wanted to keep them moisturized, so I used some lip balm, chapstick, whatever you want to call it. I've seen the same one from LIPOSAN, and I guess there's another brand for it too, depending on where you live, but it's the same exact product, and it's in vanilla buttercream. It smells amazing, tastes amazing. And then on top of that, in the middle of my lips, I put Essence's Ultra Last lipstick in color 07, I believe, which is just giving you a little bit of saturation. I added a little more contouring on my nose, and that I did with NYX's Wonder Stick. It's actually coming in 4 different shades, I believe. I think they made their shade range even bigger, but I am using the light. Oh, and for the brows, I set it with the brow glue from NYX. It's a bestseller. I think you already know which one it is, but yeah. Okay, so now we can continue.
5 minutes right here, and there we go. Somewhere so you can see it. Beautiful. So the trick that I found out is that you have to use all liquid products. This is what it is. This is some fat water I got from Rihanna's line. And you just slap that on instead of a cream or anything like that. You slap that on, first things first. Right after this, we're rushing. Right after this, we go for some concealer, which is gonna do most of the difference on our face. It's gonna awaken us and look, you know, fresh and everything on our face. So we put that right where TikTok taught us to, inner corner and outer. I'll be waiting for the fat water to just be completely absorbed until I move on the foundation. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay, hello. Don't mind my water drinking dog. I don't think I can edit it, so yeah, my dog is drinking water and not the water is drinking the dog. But yeah, so what I would go for is a BB cream. Speaking of the dog, he completely bit the tube right when I purchased it. So I'm gonna go for a BB cream from Garnier. This is one of my favorites for many years now. Very inexpensive and very covering. So I'm gonna slap that on my face. We are in 3 minutes, almost. I'm just gonna blend, focusing on the areas that have, you know, most of the discoloration. Is that what I'm supposed to call it? Anyways, yeah, I'm blending it under my eyes as well, and put most product in the middle of your face so that you can blend it out and it can actually not even be seen where it starts or when it stops. We're not going for full coverage here because we got limited time. Liquid blush, we just put that over here and a little bit on our nose just for that cute effect. And let me blend that fast because I'm freaking out right now because I haven't tried this. Okay. Alright, so let's put some eyeliner very sloppily. Damn, you can totally skip on the eyeliner, by the way, if you're not very, you know, used to doing it. And you can just put a ton of mascara. Oh god. That's not fun. Okay, a ton of mascara. Sky High mascara from Maybelline. This is insane. Oh my god, I'm not gonna be able to do my eyebrows. And without doing the eyebrows, it's like we did nothing. So just blink on the mascara wand. This is how you want it. Blink, blink, blink. And maybe if you have time, you can do a second coat later. I get my eyebrow pencil. This is from CATRICE. It's really nice and it blends into my eyebrows color. Elongating those brows. Ha! Same from this side. Oh god. Having that liquid base just let you correct anything you want. Oh my god, under a minute. What do I want? I want to put some lip balm or chapstick, whatever you want to call it. I blend that on my lips, colorless of course, and then I take a lipstick of this like mauve color or something, and I put it in the middle of my lips. There's no way for me to talk like that. And I blend it out. Putting it in the middle of my lips gives me that youthful effect. And it looks like I actually have blood pumping under my skin. And last, before we complete the time, is go a little extra, put a little contouring on your nose, just on the tip of the nose, like right above the tip, on the bridge. Just like that, and I don't know. It feels like it's kind of ready. Okay, yeah, I was thinking, if you want to kick it a notch, you can also put some hair, not hair, what the fuck, wait, shh. You can also put some eyebrow setter, like some eyebrow mascara, but that's completely up to you. You can also, like, if you have bushy eyebrows that don't need no you know, like coloring, you can just use one clear of that. This is from NYX and it's an amazing product, to be honest. But yeah, it's called the Brow Glue. So I'll link the products I used down below. I hope you like this. I just got out of bed, but I also have like a meeting or grocery shopping to do. I don't know. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you messed up like I did, just, you know, just drag it. Like, you know, like, beautiful, perfect. Okay, this was it, you guys. I hope I didn't stall too much. I will see you guys all in the next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe if you want to see more content like that. And don't forget to comment down below to tell me what your what your tricks and tips are. Tips and tricks. Yeah, whatever, you get it. Okay, love you, bye.